How to quickly remove hyperlink in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove hyperlink in Excel. And in this tutorial, I'm going to remove only the hyperlink. I don't want to remove the hyperlink formatting here. Okay. So if I remove the hyperlink from these two cells, I want it to look exactly the same. Now, if I hover the mouse here, you can see our mouse cursor has been changed and we can see the hyperlink below. And if I hover here, the same thing happens because both of the cell has hyperlink. Okay, before starting, I want you to please take a moment and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me, and let's get started. Now I'm going to remove hyperlink from these two cells, so I'm going to select this, and under the home tab you can see here clear. Click on this drop down and you can see clear hyperlink. Okay, and it says clear the hyperlink from the selected cell. The formatting is not clear. You can see here I don't want to remove the formatting, that's why I am selecting this option. So if I click here, you can see the icon here. If I click on this drop down, you can see here clear hyperlinks only. Okay, and the second one is clear hyperlinks and format. I don't want to remove the format, that's why the first one is automatically selected. Okay, now if I hover the mouse here or if I click on this cell, you can see I am not getting any hyperlink. So this is just a plain text here, but only the hyperlink formatting is here. Okay, and if I hover the mouse here or click on this cell, I am not automatically redirected to the website. Okay, but there is one problem here. If you have a direct hyperlink, if you double click here and click on any other cell or press enter, it will convert to the hyperlink automatically again. Okay, so Excel usually convert any web address and email address to hyperlinks, and in a future video I'm going to show you how you can remove this feature from your Excel. That means whenever you enter an email address or a website address, your address will not be converted to hyperlinks. Okay, for that you will have to watch the next video. Until then, thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. If you can, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.